Oh, he's right there. What the hell? You can't see him? Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be playing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. This is definitely going to be a scary game. Those of you who haven't watched the movie, you should definitely go check out the movie. And I just hope that this game is like somewhat like the movie, or at least, because it should be scary, especially the main killer, the guy that uses the chainsaw to cut the teenagers up and sew their skin on to his own body. That's what the movie is like, and maybe it's gonna be like this kind of game. So let's try it out. Yeah, I heard that this is a co-op game, so there's gonna be more than one player online going against the killer. And let's see what happens. And also, this is a test run game. It's not out yet. I think it's out in August. And I hope this game is going to be fun. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this and more upcoming video games. Or, if you want, you can check out my vlog as well. I am also live on Twitch. Don't forget to follow me at DLucy. And let's get started. Okay, so I have two options. Family, victims, and a quick match. Family, play as a family, play as a victim, or random. I did look through the tutorial. It seems kind of complicated, but let's try as a victim. Okay, finding matches. While listening as the cook, focus heavily on the spike of noise. Those are typically noisy victims, so keep an eye out. Players can be muted and reported for behavior that violates the term. Okay, so I'm playing with somebody online. Oh, they're all new player. All level 0. I am Sunny. Oh, there's one killer here, I'm assuming. Wait. So there's two. Wait, what? Why is the family category has the Leatherface guy? Oh, everyone's checked. Oh, I got checked too. Oh, these are the enemies. So the family is the enemy, and the victim is the survivor. Oh yeah, that's right. So if you guys watch the movie, here's the killer, and this is the killer's family, which is, I guess, the mom and the dad that lives in this like barn area, deserted area where there's no reception, and oh, that guy left. And it was what's so cool about the movie is that these teenagers in the movie, they have to find a way out. So they have to go inside these buildings, find a key to get in the car and drive away, or maybe find some gas to fill it up. But this game might be a little different, who knows? But yeah, I'll watch a couple different Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and it's a pretty good movie. And it's a lot of blood and gore, and yeah. It's scary, man. It's definitely scary. Where are these teenagers, man? They're young, they don't know what to do. They try to, in the movie, they try to like, even ask for the local cops for help. And that cop didn't do anything. I was surprised. He didn't call for backup, but I think he died. But anyways. Oh, so that's my team. Oh, wait, I should hit on ready. Characters. Okay, let's read this. You will be the hunter or the prey. So the victims. Anna Flores came to Texas in search of her missing sister, Maria. Maria's college friends, which is these. Friends joined in the search, but little did they know what waited for them.
Ready up, please.
The search continues in Huerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department
Okay, the
says
fuse finder
Maria
requires
Flores,
a
a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search in the nearby community of Harlow
Escape the family.
will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging.
Dude, I already got hung upside down.
What the hell happened? What is going on?
Oh man.
Wait, can I use that? Is this a way out?
Oh man, this is going to be scary. I'm already in the basement.
To numb the pain.
Damn, what do we do? Should I follow him or separate?
Now, where do you go?
Wait, where did he go? No way, is someone here already? Oh, he's running. He's running. Maybe someone's here. Their noise has awakened Grandpa. Oh my god. He was sleeping. Keep. Alright.
Use this.
I have health. Oh, I cannot trigger. Okay, I see. Oh, I can't look to my left. Oh, I hear the Chainsaw Massacre guy, man. He's revving his chainsaw.
I should grab that.
Oh my god. I hear him. Oh my god, he's so close. Is he here? Oh my god, I think he's here. Oh my god. Damn, where do I hide? Oh wait, there's something over here. Come on, make it less quiet. Make it less quiet. Come on, just a little bit more. Oh my god. What? Somebody escaped the family house? Oh. Somebody escaped the house. Damn, I need to get out of here. Oh, damn. How do I check out the map? Okay, let's see. Let me stay over here. Wait, how do you run? Oh, shift up? Push to talk, crouch. Sprint. Oh my god! Run! Run! Oh hell no, I trapped it, dude! Oh my god! Oh, Jesus. Damn, that was close. I trapped my teammate in there, so I don't have to die. Oh my god. Dude, I was so busy looking through my keys. Damn, I need to find a way out. What's this? Okay. Oh, someone's about to die. Oh, Angel died.
What is this?
Okay, there's only, what, 2 or 3 guys left? Damn, I don't know what to do. I need to get out of here. Okay, so I'm assuming Grandpa level 1 keeps. Oh my god. Is this the hide? Okay. Okay, there's a door. Oh my god. Wait, what's this yellow aura? Oh my god, a killer's down there?
Clear for now. I should move.
I should move? Oh, okay. Oh my god, I see that guy. Oh. No! Damn. Run. Oh my god.
I need to find something.
How do I attack? Wait, he's not coming? Dude, I am stuck here. Damn, I'm about to die. Uh-oh. Come on, how to get out of here? Jesus. I keep going down. Okay. I need to go up. Wait, is it? Wait, who's this? Oh, I can't save her? Okay, there's a door here.
Oh, green. I can use this.
Q? Oh, to heal.
That looks useful.
Trap hold? Oh! Oh! Damn! Come on! Damn! Okay, I gotta follow somebody. Cause this is like a maze. This is like a freaking maze. Okay, let's see where this guy's gonna. How do you get up here? Oh, he fell down? Oh my god. That's gonna make a lot of noise.
It hurts to move.
Uh-oh.
I need help. Now.
Dude, his life is all the way to 0? Damn. Come on. Oh, you can recover and get half-life almost? Okay, that's not too bad. Dude, I don't know where he's gonna be going. He's by himself. How are you supposed to do this, like, by himself? Oh, damn, I see it. It's on the left side. He's trying to pick that door. Oh, man.
How do we get out of here?
Damn, Grandpa keeps leveling up. I wonder what does that do. Quietly open the door. Oh, he heard it. Oh, you go around it like that. Okay. So let's see.
What the hell is wrong with these people?
I know, right? Come on, you got this. So he got a knife and keep still to avoid detection. He has to keep still. Wait, is that one of the grandpa's abilities? That's probably it. Okay, so this guy got a screwdriver and a knife. Oh my god! How do you not see him? That killer did not even see him hiding in this bush. Too bad he can't attack back, man. You have a knife and a screwdriver. Wait, can you attack back? Come on, you should, man. Hang in there, man. Hang in there. Damn, keep still again. That is crazy. Don't you leave blood trails? Oh! He's right there! What the hell? You can't see him? Oh my god. Yeah, I guess this is really dark. Oh my god. Oh my god!
Go in the crack in the wall.
That's so close.
Gotta just go through that door in front of you.
I'm surprised he didn't see you.
It goes out to the front house.
Damn, he doesn't hear you moaning? Oh my god. Oh! Wow. Oh wait, what is he doing to Grandpa? Hey, he's feeding him medicine or something? Oh my god, this guy is all on his own.
Please.
Oh! Wait,
Make a run for it.
wait, that's it? You can get out? Whoa.
Oh shit, is the generator back on?
Wait, they're not. Oh, he's chasing you. Hide in the bushes, hide in the bushes. Oh, you're gonna jump down there? What? Damn, you gotta start all over again? No way. Oh, you died. Hey, that was a good try, man. Good try.
Oh, he bled out. Was that the guy teabagging? He bled out? Oh, it was him. Wow.
Damn, this was hard.
Wow, dude. That was the dude who teabagged up front. He died. Get wrecked. Get wrecked, nerd.
I'm the white girl. Okay. Characters. Loadout. But what's my loadout? So I have nothing right now? You gotta look. Number 1. Okay, letterface required to start. C for options. Oh, there it is. Too bad I can't change my... Wait, can I change my controls? Keyboard controls. Preset 1. Preset 2.
What's a U-tub?
I'm missing a letter E in there. Wouldn't fit. Good luck, guys. I'm a noob.
I can tell.
Save the girl first. I gotta follow somebody. So there has to be 3 killers? It can't be 1? Wait, so family house? Oh, this is the only family house.
Hitchhiker's really good at pounding your ass.
The search continues in Huerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into nearby Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone.
Don't make goddamn noise.
Okay.
Please.
I got you. Wait, can the killer hear us talk?
I don't know.
Oh my
Okay.
god. What are they doing to me?
Wait, where did they go?
Just keep moving, Connie.
I'll follow. Yep, come on, Connie. girl. Oh my god!
Oh, yes. A shortcut.
Damn! Why is the killer right in front of me already? Oh my god. Okay, it seems like I have to be on my own this time. Okay, let's see. Where should I go?
I can use that.
Okay, I need a tool.
It might fit in the door.
Let's see. Requires bone strap? That guy scared me. Holy cow. Okay, I need a bone scrap.
Come on. Come on. Gotta find something I can use.
Oh my god! Hell no! Jesus, not me! I need to get out.
Alright. Got it.
Oh my god. I need to hide. Oh my god. Okay, this is the furthest I went is upstairs from the basement. I need to get the hell out. Come on, just chill, just chill. Oh man. Dude, I tried to follow my teammates. Oh, that's a killer! But then I guess I'm not fast enough to follow my teammate. Guys, I'm stuck in the fridge. Upstairs. Help. What? No! Let me get out of here! No! No! Come on! Get up! Get up! Get up! No! Dude, what the hell? Oh my god. Now the Chainsaw Massacre guy is here. Wow.
Not YouTube.
Come on, man. Damn, I'm dead. Damn, you got two guys here now? You better run! What?
Hear me.
They did not see him? No way. Okay, what about the other guy? Okay, she left. Oh my god, that's the closest I've ever been was upstairs. Alright, let's see how this guy's gonna get out. This is where I died.
Damn. Damn these son of bitches.
Oh my god. I couldn't even get out. I was stuck down here. Because I don't have any tools to open the next door. For some reason, when I went inside that fridge in the kitchen, I didn't press any button, but it made me come out. Maybe it forced me to come out. The cook heard you? Uh-oh. Oh, damn. Run. Close the door. Nice. Oh, the grandfather. I mean, the grandpa. Can you jump out the window? Oh, he jumped out the window! Oh my god.
Be more careful.
Nice. Good sprint.
It hurts to move.
Oh, she's here too. Can you heal each other? Nice. Good teamwork.
Yeah, shut up, YouTube. Go YouTube or something. The cook? We kick his ass, that's what we do.
You need to grab a knife in it.
What
and
the
stab
hell
it.
is wrong with these people?
Wait, who's that guy over there? Oh. Dude, that's a good camouflage. Nice. Okay, he is still stuck here. Grab some tools. Damn. Okay, it's level 1 now. Dude, it's scary being a survivor. Oh, the chickens are making a noise. Oh, he's gonna camp out there? Come on. What is that sound? Okay, so he escaped the basement, nice. Man, it is so dark. Maybe I should up the brightness.
Hey, watch this.
Wait, he's not here? He stabbed him?
Push him down the well. Yeah. Get him.
Smack that Johnny upside the door.
Push him in the well.
You cannot stab him? Oh, what? He went down. Okay, that guy's probably AFK.
No.
Oh, okay, he is very close. He opened the gate. Nice. Oh, he's right there. Oh, that was close. Oh, he's gonna camp here? That's hella cheap. Wait, was that his ability? Oh, he's still looking around.
Oh, great. I can use this.
Nice, he's been storing a lot of health kits. He's pretty good. Uh-oh. He might be able to get out.
Oh, I punched him in the dick.
What the hell? Oh, he's gonna fix the car? Okay, there's a battery, car battery. Oh, the gate. Wow, so close. Okay, he is still hiding here. Damn, this guy's a free man. This guy's pretty good. Okay, this guy's still stuck in the basement. Okay, what happens now? Oh, he escaped! Wow. Okay, he is still hiding here. I hear somebody running.
Hey, the back
What?
exit is open. If anyone's
There's
in the
bear
backyard
traps?
or whatever.
Oh my god, that's hella cheap. There's bear traps. That's crazy. Just gonna jump out the window. Wait, what's that sound? Run for it! Run for it! Follow the green light! Damn, his health is decreasing. Wow. He's a free man. Okay, let's see her. Okay. Wow, I'm surprised the enemy is not chasing after this guy. Damn, this guy might go down very soon. Oh, what if he doesn't make it through? That would suck. Oh my god, he's coming! You better hurry up! You better hurry up! Oh my god! You better sprint the hell out. What? He's still not... Run! Oh, nice. Damn, he barely made it. Last victim. Oh, he's coming back. What's he doing? Is he trying to like rest for longer for more health? Oh, he's just waiting. Yeah, she's just waiting for the Chainsaw Massacre guy to get out the way of the road, so then she can go through. What? Do you see her? Nice. Damn, that was close.
In God's name.
Bye-bye!
What is this place?
Oh my god. Yeah, she got lucky. I'm surprised since you're hurt. I thought you're supposed to make some sound, you know, like you're in pain sound, like a moan. But I guess it doesn't. Damn, everybody made it except me. The tragedy. Okay, well, she made it. Yeah, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.
My God!
And
I gotta find help!
Easy!
you guys got lucky. I didn't even make it out. Alright, I guess that's it for this video. Don't forget to check out my next video. That video that's coming out. I guess I will be the killer, which is the family. And I wonder if that's probably easier being a killer because you're not as scared and you don't have to like creep around and stuff. But as a killer, you get to run around, kill. So yeah, check out the next video. And thanks for watching. Peace out.